Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We've got a short video today where we're looking into the ABS fault on this 2000 Volkswagen Polo, little petrol engine this one is. I've just popped the ignition on. You just see the ABS light, top corner there next to the handbrake light. Now this is the light we've got coming on. It's not on all the time. It's only coming on as we're driving down the road, normally after a few minutes of driving. Just before we get into the video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, just click on the red subscribe button below to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. And the first thing we're going to do is just going to have the ignition on, and we're going to plug the snap-on scanner into it and read the faults in the ABS module. Right, so reading the faults in the ABS module, and we've got 01276, which is ABS hydraulic pump signal outside tolerances. It's quite a common issue on some of these Volkswagens, an issue that I've dealt with a few times in the past, so I thought I'd share a video on the fix this time. So it's nice. It's quite a nice cheap fix. So next thing I'm going to do now is just pop the bonnet and go and have a quick look under the engine bay, and we'll get to the fix. Right, so under the bonnet now, see this one's a little 1 litre petrol, and you want to be coming over to the battery here. Now some of these Polos have got a big cover on the top, and you pull the big cover back and some of the fuses will be under there. On this one today we've just got the little cover. Now on some of the models you've got quite a few more of these little metal fuses that you can only get from the dealers. It's not on this one, it's the ABS fuses are here, but on some models you do just want to check these fuses there. There'll be 4 or 5 of them, and the ABS one might have a crack in it. It's a really common issue. But on this one today we've got these two 30 amp green fuses which are for the ABS, and all we're going to do is just pop these fuses out and just have a quick look on the inside there. You'll just see, try and focus the camera on it, and they get a really bad connection. They burn up on the fuse, and you can see, just try focusing on it, how manky that is there. And the other one as well, the other one there, you can see just got that little point there where it's sort of burnt out a bit on the fuse. And all we're going to do, put two new fuses in it. Now that we've done that, we're just going to clear the fault codes, and we'll see if they'll clear anyway, and just give it a quick run, and hopefully that should fix the fault. Now with the code as well, you can see it's an intermittent code, so we do know it'll allow us to clear it. But this was the fault was always coming on within about 2-3 miles of driving, so. That's successfully cleared it. All we're going to do now is give it a quick run. We'll take it for a 10-15 mile road test now, and I'll let you know the outcome. Right, so we just got back from, actually did a 20 mile road test just to be 100% sure that it's definitely sorted the fault. And no ABS lights come on. ABS, you can't feel it kicking in at all. It's absolutely spot on. So just a nice simple fix this time. There's a lot on the internet that's pointing this fault towards being the actual control module itself. So it's not to say that it definitely can't be that, but this is a really common issue where it does flag it up. They're really critical to getting the correct voltage all the time, and obviously with these fuses being given a really bad connection, they're not always getting supplied the correct feed. So yeah, you can just see there though, it's a really bad, really manky connection on that side, just on one side of it, say on both pins as well there. So, and then we've got the other pin there as well, so pretty much the same. So looks fairly decent on one side, but just that side there. So yeah, nice cheap fix really. So I thought I'd share the video with you all. Hope it helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.